Easy breakfast with raisins, bran, and fresh apple nutrition morning recipe. Today I was thinking of what to eat for breakfast. Start your day with this delicious and healthy raisins, bran, and fresh apple breakfast recipe. This quick and easy breakfast combines the natural sweetness of raisins and fresh apple for a nutritious morning meal. Perfect for busy mommy, weight conscious eater, and anyone looking for simple breakfast idea. Watch how I prepare this tasty breakfast that is both satisfying and family friendly. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more easy breakfast like this. First of all, I put 5 tablespoons of raisins brown in a plate. After that, I decide to cut this apple. This apple is the apple we use for this beautiful morning breakfast recipe. So I use one apple. Right now I'm taking out the seed from the apple. After I took out the seed from the apple, I decided to cut this apple into slices. Thereafter, I cut it into cubes. I'm using the entire apple for this recipe. So I put the entire apple in the raisins brown. For this easy breakfast, if you have watched up until this moment, I want you to give this channel a thumbs up. I want you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, and I want you to comment love this recipe. If you love this recipe, I'll be making more of this breakfast recipe for your enjoyment. So I'm adding my milk into the recipe. This is raisins brown and apple recipe. So I'm eating my breakfast. Guys, join me and enjoy this lovely recipe. This tastes delicious and also healthy. So guys, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye guys, love you all, take care.